Right, good morning, shoppers. Hope everybody is well. Happy Monday, happy Monday. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. We are back with yet another live stream. Hope you guys missed us throughout the weekend. What is going on today? It's a Monday. And yeah, of course, I'm not sitting alone. I'm with the minister herself, Minister of Technical Analysis. I think we already have an abbreviation there, Muj.
What is it? What is it?
I think I saw it somewhere from, it has to be from Savage, obviously. Let me see. I think I saw it somewhere.
You forgot the honorable.
Oh, my apologies. Yo, my apologies. I know honorable is like... yeah, no, sorry. Honorable Minister of TA. That's what HMTA. So I think it's HMTA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you see this? Morning, choppers. Morning.
Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. We are back. Are we marking the register? Have we prayed? Okay, yes, we have.
We did pray, but you can go ahead with the register.
Okay, not a problem. Before I do so, are you well?
I'm well, but we were just discussing that there's a funny nyana this Monday, ne?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm the only one. Shoppers, please let us know there on the comment section.
Are you not feeling like this Monday is weird?
Yeah, no, it is. It feels like
all sleeping.
Yeah, no, I don't feel this Monday. I think I'm tired, and I don't know where I get the fatigue from, but
it's half year fatigue.
It's half year, ne?
Yeah, it's called. There's a term for it. It's actually called half year fatigue.
Looking at how the year turned out, what do you think you've done this year? Do you think you have achieved most things that you wanted to achieve this year?
Trading on territory I never thought, like this live stream is the first. So I think I'm exploring. I'm being Dora the Explorer as usual, and I'm exploring all other avenues, and it's quite interesting. So I can say, generally, I don't have, this New Year's resolution thing. I stopped a long time ago because. So I just always have a conscious thing of wanting to be able to not miss opportunities when they arise and go with the flow, just go with it. So I think it's taking me to uncharted territory that I'm excited about it. So I was actually thinking just the other weekend that I'm quite excited about my future and ours, MJ.
Yeah. Would you say then you joining the Choppers family is one of the things you would say I've really achieved something for the year?
It would be in the list of one of the things, yes.
Yeah.
I won't lie, yes.
Okay.
It would be on the list of one of the things that, and obviously getting such a welcome from Choppers. It's, sometimes you feel, how is it going to be? Am I, the questions in your... Sure. But I've landed on nice soft landing thanks to you guys. Thanks to you, AJ. Thank you.
No, it's only a pleasure. Yeah, I'm glad we're making this happen, and I'm glad that we're still going to have more business to come. And yeah, we in July.
Hey, right now.
It's scary how time flies. It
I was just calculating, like, so forget July now, forget it. It's the 20th something.
Yeah.
So basically August. Like it's spring soon.
Yeah, then it's September. My birthday month.
La la la.
Yeah, I'm one of those that are part of the stats. Most people are born in September. I don't know if it's the whole world or it's only in South Africa. I don't want to go there. I know where you're going. I don't want to go. I've asked my mom about it, and she was like, "What are you asking?"
What do you do for a living? I'm sure that's
No, I was asking my mom that. Hey, I'm from September. I was born in September. Is it because you and Dad December time? Just you were all
I
happy.
was like, do I ask you?
Yeah.
Questions?
Then
You to stop asking me questions.
yeah, it's like, Papila, please don't go there. All right, let's mark the register. We've got first man in the house. Ronaldo is also in the house. Savage obviously is in the house. Sis Maggie say morning, Mushima, Mr. President, and the beautiful choppers watching from home and the rest of the day at last. Anele Abi Matiwani, we want to welcome you officially, saying it's my first time here and I can't wait. Anele, we welcome you. We really welcome you. Welcome to the Choppers family. Okay, then Savage, Neptune is also in the house. Neptune is a Minister of Agriculture and Herbs, should be definitely. Where's Ngobile? Is here?
Yeah.
Don't see. Oh, okay. Hey, by the way, you know
about the scope.
Yeah, no, but that one is your thing with him, isn't it? I don't know if
it was a good one. I mean, honestly speaking.
Yeah, no, it was a good one. I was with him on Friday. We were shooting this past Friday. You know, it's weird. If I spend a day not speaking to Ngobile, it's weird. It's very weird. I think
romance is real.
Yeah, I think I spoke to him last time when Saturday. It feels weird. I haven't spoken to him on Sunday. So I know there's a lot to catch up on. I know he's gonna be telling me about the weekend, and you know it won't end, but it's fun. Tumisang is also in the house. Tumisang saying something very powerful. Hey, by the way, guys, I'm on a German 40. I'm on a German 40 buy. Can I just put up my screen there, Mush, please? Right, I had my execution at 24,260. This is why I had my execution. Not really comfortable with how this trade is planning out already, because normally I wanted to take off, but it's not doing that. But it's fine. I'm still holding it. I'm not really too much into profits, I would say, because of the spread. I'm still on like small win, or small positive. Right, my TP is at 24,390. For those of you that haven't taken this, again, guys, I'm going to give you a disclaimer. If you are going to take it here, if you are going to take this trade here now, it's probably too late. Already where I am at 24,261, spread is already against me. Right, if you're gonna take it where it is, you can imagine where you're going to be executed. All right, so please bear that in mind. Don't take it because Mr. President is taking. I can lose this trade at any given time. But yeah, I even forgot. I had to just put that in because I want Miss Gamma to take us through gold. But let me just finish. Do you mind if I finish with the thingy?
No,
the register. Tumisang is saying, don't forget to like the stream, guys. Can we please do the right thing? Can we please do the right thing? By the way, Friday we had more than 100 likes, which is a nice thing. We had also the uncle himself, Mr. Essential, was here, and yeah, people enjoyed the stream. I think we need to put him on the spot, and it must be a Friday, every Friday theme. What do you think?
Yeah,
yeah,
because he brings that spice into it.
Yeah, he wants to pursue the comic career. I had somebody who came on Friday. The guest who came on Friday, she was just laughing the whole entire time because of Mr. Essentials, obviously. So I think, yeah, we'll discuss it with him. We'll discuss
Is Mr. Essentials Lover Boy the same person?
Yeah, he's got many names.
Just making sure.
$16, Mr. Essential. $16, Mr. Essential, and
Lover Boy. Okay.
Yeah, I think it is important to always have friends that want what's best for you, man. Like, that's how I see life today, because we live in an era now where people don't generally wish what's best for you. And if there's one thing about that friend of mine, is that any given day I know he wants what's best for me.
Oh, that's nice.
I know. I can leave him with anything, and I know he won't disappoint. And same applies to me. I just want what's best for him. For him to succeed in life.
I support romance, guys. Guys, romance.
Yeah, romance must
It's
always be there.
Healthy.
Yeah, we've got Henrico. Henrico's been a long time, my friend. Enrico is saying it seems like your code can only be used once. Can you text me, Enrico? Please text me immediately. Can you text the union building immediately? Malusi is also in the house. Zikubu. Oh, by the way, 23 September. Malusi is born on the 23rd of September. That's my wife's birthday. The 23rd of September. Very interesting, by the way. Eh?
She's 23rd. Virgo.
I don't know. Yo, Mush guys, by the way, Miss Gamma here, she knows all the star signs. I don't even know how they work. I don't know. I'm also a Virgo, right? Is it a Virgo, Virgo?
Yeah, but like, I'll educate you. When are you in September?
Huh?
What?
I'm 16, she's 23. 7 days apart.
Oh, okay. How cute. Yeah, let me check it out. I mean, I'm not like, I just know characteristics of different star signs.
Malusia, I'll let her know that you share the same birthday with her. Neptune says August is the month of legend. Legendary traders were born in August. Wow. Nkanyiso is also in the house. Kumza is in the house. Mark is in the house. The informative channel, as always, my friend. Good to see you. Rita is also in the house. We've got Sipping Pips. Is it Kalaga? He's saying, let's do great, good people, and good morning. Enrico is hating me. He's saying he lost my number.
Yeah, that's betrayal at its best.
You are making it worse. Wow.
I'm kidding.
Wow. Rish is saying, Mr. President, what is the minimum first deposit for Octa? It's $25, my friend. It's just $25. Yes, Mush, can you please take us through gold, please?
Hish gold, ne? The only thing I can just say at this point, and I think now, as I've said, that the longer it takes for a pattern to form, the bigger the breakout. And it's now, I think it's in those stages where a potential breakout may happen, but we're still stuck between these two trend lines. So that would be the trading range in which you're trading until this level is breached or until this level is breached. One more.
Yeah.
So if you at this point, knowing that it's now tested, it tends to reverse below this trend line the whole time. I think if you want on a smaller time frame, you could be looking for a short. Stop loss being at 33.75. But yeah, I still see that little turbulence between those two slopes. So just at this point, look, can you see if you do it on a 1 hour chart rather, it's already headed to there where it then reverses. So I think we should be, if you want, look for a short or just play around that range.
Yeah.
This range, yeah, play around this range. This one. Just draw that triangle and play and trade around that range. What do you feel?
Okay. Let me put up my screen.
Would you play with gold now or?
Not really. But what I like today is that at least I'm seeing something happening. Unlike Friday.
Also, just bear in mind, Powell is speaking on Tuesday. You know how what he does when he speaks to the when he speaks what the dollar does.
He's speaking this coming Tuesday, ne?
Yeah, it's Tuesday at 3, and then the two economic indicators that are coming out would be the PMI figures. You know how important those are, as well as jobless claims. So we're going to have a bit of a. It's good for trading, but there's going to be a lot of volatility this week. That's what shoppers must be aware of, or take note.
Okay.
I mean, I can talk you through what to anticipate when he talks. I actually did it for Okta last night.
Yeah. By the way, how was it?
It was good. I think they just need to understand my way of analysis. It's new, you know.
Oh, okay. Was it private? Why didn't you invite me?
I don't know how this happens. Well, I think, but I mean, okay, not this Sunday, the other Sunday then.
Was it live? Was it private or was it
live? It's live. It was live.
Oh, it was live on the Okta broker.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, by the way, yesterday I was my team and I were celebrating 1 year partnership with Okta.
Nice.
Yeah, It's been a year since we've partnered with Okta.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
What do you guys do? Drink tea?
Plus it was a Sunday. Yes, we put me on the spot. Yes, I see what you're doing there. No, it was just that thing of well done, team. To many more, you know.
Okay.
The importance of not jumping from one broker to another, and also showing respect to the people that follow us, because every now and then we're going to find traders messing around and taking people to different brokers every now and then, and so I was just saying well done to the team, and I'm proud of them, as well as thanking them for accepting me with my mistakes as well as their leader, and I also want to do that. I want to have a special shout out to the choppers at large, everybody that is streaming with me here and with you, Mush, since day one. I want to take time and appreciate you guys. Thank you for accepting me for who I am,
the support, ne?
For the support. I don't think I'm the greatest one person can work with. I know I can be difficult at times, but thank you guys for coming in every day, even though sometimes we don't share the same sentiments. We back to differ with, but I really appreciate you guys, and let's keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Talking about gold, can I put on my screen now?
Yeah, can we just go finish up with the Powell thing?
Oh, okay, please. Oh, Gunja, you were saying you did it with Okta yesterday. Please let us know next time, Mush, you are having this thing.
Okay, I will. The support would be nice. So the general consensus is, if he comes out, if he comes out kind of, if he says we need to tighten or leave interest rates as they are, then the dollar is likely to appreciate. But if he says he's comfortable with where he's not going to do anything to the interest rates, then we're likely to see the dollar depreciate. So those are the two things you should just have in mind when trading.
Could you repeat that? You just cut off a bit there.
I say generally I stay away from trading when key information is coming out, to be honest with you. I've been burnt.
I hear you. Where is thingy? Where's the block button here?
Who are you blocking now?
I wanna block Selika.
Why now?
Let me see. I saw that comment. Silica, where are you, my friend?
You're blocking your own friend. You know how quickly love dries.
Well, Silica said something. Where is it? Was it Silica, if I'm not mistaken? Yeah, Silica, well, no, Silica, you know that. Silica is saying, my birthday. He says, man, he did it.
Oh, God.
Silica deleted the comment. Wow. He made sure that the comment is out. You know what he's saying? He's saying a man's birthday on a woman's month.
He's sad.
Now I'm joined.
I know it just in the right season, you know. It sounds very rap, you know. But like it's putting
He deleted the comment. Wow, that's wow. It's fine. Just because I work with proof, I will not block Silica because I work with proof, you know. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. All right, 3375. You asked me a very good question. By the way, I don't think Powell will cut the rates for July.
No, I don't think he. Unless, I mean, you know what? Those jobless claims and everything, those figures are quite important in PMI. But unless he's trying to boost the economy, which he won't, I also don't think he's going to cut them. So that means we're likely to just see the dollar, I don't know, dwindle, like trade sideways, actually.
Yeah. Somebody saying something again. Paul is not going to cut rates. Inflation data was good. He doesn't want it to look like he's being bossed by Trump. And I think that I like the sense of style coming from Powell. He's not really moved by comments coming from Donald Trump. He does what he has to do given his portfolio and his position, you know. And I like that type of leadership. I really like that type of leadership. By the way, our very own president, I mean the other president, the MK party wants him to resign. Did you see that? I mean, I don't mind. Angaphuma ngingene somar. See stream from the Union Building from next week.
I believe that.
From next week. Let me try to have my chat on there. By the way, the German trade is going nicely.
Is it going nicely?
Yeah, it's going nicely. Sure. Where is my thingy? Okay, we are now currently trading at 24,323. Yeah, like 50% to TP. I like what I see. I'm not going to lock my profits as yet. Let me at least reach 70%, then I can put my stop loss on break even. But I also want to say 24,400 is where I have my TP. I just hope we arrive there sooner rather than later. I'm still bullish on German 40. For those of you that took this trade again with me, don't rush it. Please apply. And I think it's also important, Mush, to always talk about this. Apply your own risk management. Just because I'm doing something doesn't mean you have to do it exactly how I do it, right? So apply your own risk management. Make sure that you understand your own bylaws that governs your own trading, which is your own trading company, your own business, right? Yeah, as far as gold is concerned, I'm going to share the same sentiment as last week Friday, Muj. 3375 is where I'm waiting to see gold. If we can violate that level and retest that level, maybe we can potentially go to 3385, and that's when I'm going to be extremely bullish on gold. We are still in between 3375. Remember last week we marked 3375 and 3320 as well as 3300. I still have the same levels, so until we violate 3375, that's when I'm gonna start making decisions. I'm still on the sideline, choppers. I'm sorry, I'm still on the sidelines as far as gold is concerned, but yeah, I'll give you guys an update as time goes on. Let's have a look at NAS 100. So we had all-time highs last week, 23,167. This is where we had our all-time highs on NAS 100, currently up by 0.29%. So I looked at NAS 100 and German, and I think for me, German was the one that was looking appetizing, because one thing about NAS is that since we had this all-time highs, we had a retracement back at 23,000, and I see it kind of like I'm above my VWAP level now, and that means that I'm still going to be bullish, but the safest trade is to violate the all-time highs, and I can make decisions from there, of which if you look at my German 40, one can say, Mr. President, what inspired that buy? So I looked at the fact that we close above VWAP. I think sellers were trapped on the wrong side, and I wanted to take advantage of that. Close above with the vector candle closing around 24,260, 250. It was giving me a clear signal that I can go long before I can do anything. So yeah, between NAS 100 and German, I think for me German was looking more nicer, because why? It is still playing within the 24,000 range and the 23,000 range. That's why I wanted to take advantage of that. Currency pairs on the other hand, I think my is my system lagging? Okay, I think we're good. Currency pairs, I'm still on the sideline, man. I really don't like what I see. For me, this is also consolidation that I'm seeing as far as this currency pairs are concerned. So yeah, we're trading between $1.16 and $1.15 on euro dollar. Let me violate $1.16, then I can see if I can maybe have a retest back at this level here. Trap, then I can go to the upside on euro. British pound USD, same thing. I just don't like the fact that we are consolidating. Yeah, one can say, Mr. President, we are above VWAP, but yeah, as much as you are above VWAP, you've got another major resistance at $1.34. We're trading between $1.34 and $1.33. I need to see if we can violate this level and maybe potentially go to the upside. More or less the same as this is my take on it. British pound USD. So yeah, folks, that's what I have for now. During the session, I'll update you guys about I think I should put my stop loss on break even at this point. Not really 70%, 65 or so, but yeah, I'll update you guys. Yeah, Mush, what else do you have for us there?
No, just looking at this euro USD trade with this giving, this is an hourly chart, with this giving a potential buy after this retest to there. So that level would be at $1.1645 towards there. Also, just yeah, I think a lot of these trades particularly were missed this morning. So we're sitting at a situation where do you load up, or is this the end? You know, has it done this move already?
Sure.
So if it has, then downside to there. So if it doesn't go through there, and what I would do is draw my trend line over here. And if it starts trading below this trend line, then it's likely to fall to that support.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's basically, yeah, that's with the euro dollar. I see now in a 1 hour chart that it could be giving a short position at this point if you want to make something from it. Yeah. I would actually short below $1.1636 if it starts trading below there.
Okay.
Yeah. With that downside there, and then buy.
Okay.
What's up?
No, I'm just looking at Nobile started, guys.
What now?
No, Nobile started. Look at the comments. He deleted his comment.
How? I'm cheapers going to delete.
He's saying, let me put him on the spot. Everyone is talking about Trump.
Mm-hmm.
So he's saying, okay, I can remember Trump met with Ramaphosa.
Yeah.
So it seems like everything is not working for Trump these days. And nobody's like, I can.
That is weak. I told you something's weird this week.
Yeah, I know. Nobody's like, I get Ramaphosa is from Limpopo.
You guys.
Oh, there it is. Oh, no, the comment is there.
Yeah.
Ramaphosa is from. Okay, so
Right.
I think what inspired Ngobi to say this was Retabile's comment. He's saying, is it true that Trump said Ramaphosa bewitched him? And Ngobi said Ramaphosa is from Limpopo, right? Yeah. Would you like him to resign?
Hey, guys.
Cupcake.
Thing is, who's the better devil?
Besides me.
I play when you're another level. With what we currently have.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah,
whenever
that's.
you see what's his name becoming president, our deputy.
Oh,
Our deputy right now, Mr. Lotto.
oh, Brapol.
Do you see him? Do you see, guys? I don't know. Tabangan, just think of that first.
It's a tough one. I think what South Africa is going through right now is, they don't have somebody that can be a better replacement,
That's the thing.
and that's what is frustrating everybody. But I don't think he's going to resign. I don't think Ramaphosa is going to resign. Like I don't see it happening. Not anytime soon. Guys, can we please like this stream?
I think this Eurodollar trade is probably going to go through soon.
Yeah.
What's your take on it? What are you seeing?
The Eurodollar.
Yeah.
You see where you have
15 minutes.
Yeah, you see where you have your trend line there and your resistance.
Yeah.
I want to break above it. Up there.
To get in.
Yeah.
But okay, the RSI says it's not the time, so I think you're gonna have to wait for it's testing. It's gonna pull back maybe to the trend line. Bounce. I see what your strategy. So I think this is what may happen. It may pull back, bounce there, and then go through there, which gives you that buying signal, right? But if it doesn't do that and violates both of this, I think it's a short.
So up there, you see where you have it there, not like up there, $1.60.
Oh, you mean
Yeah. I need.
But that's your buy. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, I want to violate that first.
Because this is it makes sense. This is what. Yeah, no, this is a key trend line. Very key. So yeah, breaking that is of a more secure route to go, and it's not too far from there. But I'm just saying for a quick in and out trade. Guys, I don't know if I'm going to trade this week, man. This information that's coming out in the US might just.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
See, I see the choppers are liking. Just don't forget to send yes. Ish. How's your trade going?
Still okay. We're still good. I'm just waiting to see if we are going to. I'm going to find a reason to put my stop loss on break even. But I don't see any opportunity to add on my winning.
Okay. This week, man. Look at that candle.
Guys, can we like the stream? Savage is really concerned. It's saying
Yes.
45 likes. Alright, for those of you that have just joined us, we only have a buy setup on German, executed at 24,260, TP at 24,400, stop loss at 24,200. Lisiva is asking me a very good question. Are you a breakout trader? Not really. So I want price to be violated and see how we, if I want to get a discount going to the upside, I want to see how we hold and behave around my view up levels.
So isn't that breakout?
No, I think for me breakout is going to be if we break out. I can trade it. I can break and come back inside and still take a buy, of which someone can say breakout, we are above the trend line or we are above the resistance and buy there. I would still want a retracement back to view up. I won't take it just because I see a breakout. Understand?
Okay. I'm a breakout person. I believe in breakouts.
Moby is asking, Mr. President, open GJ. Kalile with GJ. Let's see. It's been a long time since I've been in this trade.
What GJ? What's GJ?
My German 40.
Oh, okay.
GJ same. 200 yen against the pound and 198 yen against the pound. Same. I need to break above it. I'm still consolidating. If I were to put my fixed range volume, you would see that my point of control, my POC level is still at 199. I'm still in a serious consolidation. So I don't see anything there because we are just consolidating. And I wouldn't want to be trapped within these levels, 199 and 198. 198 level on Friday, gapped open there. Yeah, and I did. I do remember you did speak about discounted 198, if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful setup there, by the way.
Of what?
GJ.
Did you know there's a Bitcoin on Cecil?
On what?
Cecil.
There's a Bitcoin.
On Cecil.
No, I didn't know.
Yeah, I'm looking to explore it because I'm liking the share in general. Just to see. What are the votes saying? Do you think 62% says he should resign and 38 says no?
I generally think if I were to run this poll 10 years ago on Zuma, I think it would be sitting on 90-10. I think
On Zoom.
on Zuma, yeah. I think
So do we just like suffering? What is up? Why are we just accepting?
No, I think 90%. I think 90% they were gonna say he must go. 10% they were gonna say he must stay. I think people generally like Ramaphosa. I don't know.
He's the better, yes, guys. He's the better devil.
If I ran this poll 10 years ago, when Zuma was president, I know without a doubt that many people were gonna say no, he must go. But for me to see this poll here, Zuma.
Of course, yes.
So
did you see those houses? Did you see those houses?
Which houses?
The houses, well, allegedly, I think they are, of the Guptas. Did you see those houses?
The ones in Dubai.
No, I think the ones in July, South Africa, in Johannesburg.
Oh.
What type of house would you expect people with so much money would have?
So serious mentions, eh?
They are they are ugly looking. Like the taste, it's so bad. It just feels so bad that they literally took money from the country to build such ugly monstrosities. And they ugly. It's terrible. Like it's such a. You just think that South Africans, we accept too much, man. We need to be more revolutionary. We're accepting too much.
Yeah.
You didn't see them?
No, I haven't.
Sure.
I don't know about. It's just a decision making from our president, and sometimes like I'm just asking myself, like, how does he do things? Who's advising him? I mean, the acting police minister now is Gwede Mantashe. Like, guys, it's Gwede Mantashe.
Nice. No, you're lying.
I'm telling you, Gwede Mantashe is the acting. Okay, Choppers, please. I might be wrong, but I read somewhere. Gwede Mantashe is.
He's got his clothes everywhere, ne?
Oh. I think at this point, Gwede Mantashe has been the minister of everything. He was
everything.
When Ramaphosa is not in the country, it's either him or Mami Angie. They are the acting president. Oh.
I think they have a lot of dirt.
Yeah, I think so. I think
just
so.
Like, hey,
I think so. This. Yeah. Gwede Mantashe is now the acting police minister.
He is.
Yeah.
The choppers.
Whether Montage is the minister.
Guys, as it. Yes, guys. But anyway.
Yeah, so it's really concerning. Like, yo, I never thought this Kachalia gentleman. I don't know him. I don't know this Kachalia person. Did you know Kachalia, Professor Kachalia?
Mm-mm. Do you think this gold will break this week?
I think
I'm
so.
trying to find signs. I'm trying to find signs.
I think so. I think it's that time where we're gonna see
The break.
I'm seeing it. That break, I think it's time now. A lot of people are caught on the wrong side. I think it's time to see that break. I'm seeing
Is in they shorting.
I think a lot have if you look at 3,300 or 3,320 dollars an ounce, I think there a lot of people that short are caught on the wrong side. They are trapped. I'm seeing 3375 and 3385. I think it's time now.
I think this break of the RSI here, I mean, it's dated back to June. This break of the RSI, I think maybe tomorrow's candle is going to be very telling.
My
Because
sorry to cut you off there. My trade is not really doing well now. I'm almost going back to break even.
Let's see your chart quickly.
And I'm gonna leave it either way. Going back almost to break even.
So I think tomorrow's candle will tell the choppers a lot. Because if that RSI does not break out of that trend line, then it means we're still stuck in that consolidation. But if it does tomorrow, choppers, I think we should be on a nice trade at 33.75. A nice one. So when a trade is stressing you, what do you do?
I think I try to become like everybody else. As long as it has not violated what I'm looking at. I'm still about. I think it's gonna stress me more if it closes below view up. Then I would know that something is up. But we were up by 0.45%. Given how volatile this thing is now up by 0.29%. I think I'm still safe.
Savage, I must teach you how to do this. RSI to me, guys, says so much. So much. Savage is talking about my RSI indicator. Sorry, my friend. I cut you there. Yeah, it's so I think as a leading indicator, it's one of the best ones in telling, particularly when there's sideways trending like this, Savage. An RSI can tell you in advance where the breakout will be. And what it's saying now is we should look for a potential upward break. That's why I'm saying tomorrow's candle will be important. I hope the choppers don't miss this upward break. MJ.
Yeah, no, the levels are there. I hope they've written them down.
I have a halfway mark strategy with this though, that if at all, like, you know, if let's say it doesn't go through that 3375, right? It doesn't, and it stays within this triangle. These are the 2 points, and you get the halfway mark up there, which is 3,335. that if it's, for as long as it's trading above 3,335, then it's still in that bullish area, meaning that the breakout is likely to happen. But if it falls below there, then it means the downside is, it's just a halfway mark between these two levels. I call it the halfway mark strategy.
As we're still sitting on 62 likes.
Okay, it's been Pinkos.
Mr. Peter says something very important here. He says they must have something on him. I agree.
On who?
On Ramaphosa. Like this appointment of Gwede like really doesn't make sense.
Because the people professionally just in a team of things where they just take information that you can help people to ransom with. I'm sure the amount of information he has is something that will bring the country to its knees.
I agree.
There'll be a complete change, bullish to bearish against ANC.
I agree. I think they have. I think the ANC has something serious on Ramaphosa, because some of these decisions he's been making lately, like, they really don't make sense. Yo.
No, but also I think the Mahua Mafia, man.
The what?
The white mafia.
The Stellenbosch Mafia.
So he's tossed between two types of waba. He's not in one emphatic, like one stance. He's not like, what is it, Julius? What it's about them. That's it. On a play now, it's has to double. Make everyone happy.
But I think we're off to a good start then for the new year, especially with all these things coming out. It will be up to us then. It will just be up to us what we do with that information and how we're gonna behave when we are going to vote next time. But again, for me, there's no better replacement in my opinion.
Yeah, it isn't.
There's no better.
But guys, Tabombeki maybe? No?
Nah.
At least he's educated.
Yeah, but Ramaphosa is also educated, very educated. But
no, not as much.
Yeah, but I don't think much for me. Education makes people make better decisions. I think you can have
in a country, like it makes it at least gives you background of how a country should be run. I think even the most, and I don't think a lot of our people in leadership know how to run a country.
Yeah, but some people are just bookworms. Like they know books, but practically they cannot do anything. So I don't have a problem to have a leader that is not really educated but understands how things work. I thought with the Ramaphosa,
it's not even that. It's just someone who is for the people. Do you know what I'm saying? Can see the injustice in certain things, wants to fix things, not.
If you look at Kagame, Paul Kagame of Rwanda, look at how good Rwanda is doing. Yeah, he has education
for
here
him
and
to
there.
priority, like people, something that's they believe in their people. Runa, I don't think I'll.
That's the thing. That's what I'm saying. Like, even if one can have education, Kagame comes from a military background. Traore comes from a military background, but these guys, they put their people first. They really know what's good for their country.
And that's the thing, right? That's scary. That does it seem as if more of a dictatorship or militant run country is more successful than democracy. So that's the whole debate. Now I must be honest, I'm also starting to really reconsider this democraticness of a place,
Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. I would vote for a dictator. I wouldn't mind.
That's what I'm alluding you to. That it seems as if democracy thing isn't working. I'm just exploring. I was very pro it, but now when you start seeing case studies, you're thinking, ish.
I think democracy can work, but when it's led by someone who has the spirit of softness, it will never work. Someone who cannot put his feet down, it will never. It will look like it's just.
So democracy means being fair.
Yeah, but if you look at the decisions, I mean, for Ramaphosa to go to the White House and say, yeah, everyone has a freedom of this, freedom of that, and if some of these things Ramaphosa is doing, they are out of the constitution, like way out of the constitution. Even the appointment, apparently, I don't know much, but I've read somewhere where it says the appointment of Kachalia is not constitutional, and they're taking him to court about it. Then you ask yourself, like, what is this guy is acting all softness, all smiley cupcake vibes, but at the end of the day, there are some decisions that he makes, and they are giving us the vibes of dictatorship because he's not following the law. There are a lot of things Ramaphosa has been doing, and I think he got away with it. I mean, for me, the inquiry is a way to delay the process. That this inquiry is going to cost us money, and it's just a way to delay us. I think it's just a tactic. There's no need for this inquiry. It's gonna take months, if not years. What happened to the Zondo Commission of Inquiry?
Didn't it fizzle out or something?
So it's gone, like within thin air. It's gone, So that's my problem with this whole thing of this guy's Thabo Mbeki. I think he had his chance, but he had a chance.
I just like what he stood for. I like what he stood for. And it's he stood for what most African leaders are being killed for now, is a unity in our continent's resources. That's what I like. But it's, for me, it just never gelled to me why I think for everyone that our resources must be taken to be refined and then sold back to us. And why we're all using the dollar as a base currency. For my life in finance, I always had a thing about that why, and someone who stood like Gaddafi and Thabo Mbeki, who stood for that, I appreciated. But it seems everyone who wants to create something like that, the United States of Africa, just gets killed.
Yeah, man. I disagree with Malema with a lot of things. Believe you me, I disagree with him.
I think he's a good noisemaker. He's a good point outer of bad things. The rest, ish.
Yeah, I would. Yeah, one can ask. Can I vote for someone like Malema? I would. I disagree with him. With a lot of things, but that's one thing about, in my opinion, again, guys, this is just my opinion. Leadership is not to make decisions that are fashionable to everybody. You do what you think is best at that particular time, and I think we should allow our leaders to also fail. It's very important to allow them.
I wasn't too much though. And
yeah, no, ours are not failing. I think they're doing it on purpose. We really cannot call this failure. These ones are doing it on purpose. These leaders are really doing this on purpose.
You know.
But let's
I mean,
see.
guys, you the way they just don't care. I can just imagine if the dinner tables were Daisuga.
Who Ramaphosa?
Just all of the ministers, it will die out. Something else would
And
happen.
that's what they do. Why
They get just like abasizwa.
while they're sleeping?
Hmm.
Yes,
Tina
they're
here
sleeping there in
me.
parliament, these guys. There's nothing they're doing.
Nothing.
They're sleeping all this entire time. Guys, I'm still holding my trade on German 40.
How's it going?
Yeah, I'm playing around VWAP, which is a good thing. I'll see. 24,286 is where we are currently trading at. As I mentioned, 24,400 is where I have my TP. For the fact that we are still above VWAP, it's still a good sign that I'm still safe, but it doesn't guarantee if I'm gonna win this trade. But I'm still in the positive.
Why did we trade 5-minute charts?
I do sometimes. If I get a nice clean rejection on my view up level on 5, I'm taking it. No doubt about it.
Sure. Oh, so it's in certain things. Okay.
First man say a commission of inquiry is just meant to cover their tracks. Honestly, they are all in it the situation, so it's never easy to be against friends while you are also involved. That's the thing. That's the thing.
It's true. Guys, it's babutele nat selayek. I see a 5-minute trade on a sell gold.
Where's the price?
So below 3365. With take profit being at 3365, so it's $5, 3361. And even probably down to this VWAP here, as you may put it, which is at 3358. Let's see. Because remember that RSI in the hourly chart is overbought. There we go, Nazo. Let's see. King, why are you saying so much?
No, this trade is boring me now. We closed above view up. We're closing above view up, below view up.
Do you want to try gold trade?
I'm still gonna hold this one. I've got my stop loss at 24,000.
You're gonna try the gold trade. Okay, let's see. How many minutes do we...
I agree with you, Samuel. I agree with you. For someone who is in a level of Ramaphosa, given what he's been through in life, and he has always been a perfect person for mediation, you know?
Yes, that's spot on.
I think this softness is on purpose. They've got something against this guy. Oh, let me not say this guy, guys. You know, I was taught to respect the people in the authority. This gentleman, I think they have got something against him.
Hello, Marikane. The American mind, remember?
Yeah.
Yes. Huh? Why are people not being held accountable?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This man has, like, I don't think you can be a billionaire and be that soft. He's softer than a kindergarten teacher.
He's been a very mahuaraz person. He's been in those books, Khale.
He's pretending.
I'm telling you, the mahuas.
No, I mean the softness.
Yeah. I also think there's a bit of a manipulative.
Yeah. No, yeah, no value. We know that he's being under someone's payroll for all this entire time. But the fact of the matter is that softness is too questionable. You cannot be a billionaire or claim that you're a billionaire and be that soft. Because in my opinion, you don't get to become a billionaire and make those soft decisions and smiling with everybody. I don't think so.
Your softness comes at a degree. I get what type of softness. Some people, it's the softness that gets them everywhere.
Ah, but that one is too soft, Musha.
MJ, please let's trade 5-minute charts now. On Wednesday, we're trading 5-minute charts.
What on gold?
Just on anything. I think this gold sell is going to topping out.
I'm not happy.
Who's going to take this gold sell, choppers?
The new candlestick that comes out now must give me something to bite, please, or else.
What are you trading? What are you looking at? 5 minutes?
15 minutes.
Okay, so you've got a minute.
Got a minute to go. Ish. I know choppers will say, but Mr. President, you're supposed to take that money there. You're supposed to take that money. No, I don't think so. Nah, Ramaphosa is too soft for my liking. I don't trust him. Guys, can we please like the stream? That's why this trade is not going my way. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. If we get 200 likes, this
Tabby is taking Tabby is taking that 5-minute short. Let's see. Hey, look at that candle. What time is it? 45. Okay.
Can we play a game? If we get 200 likes, this thing is gonna go up. As long as we're still sitting on 76.
Is also. Hey, can you see it's holding on that support? Sorry, my friend. What's the game? What are we doing?
If we get 100 likes, this thing is gonna go in my direction.
I think I'll just tell you the sad reality after.
It'll get to, if we get 200 likes, I'm telling you. But yeah, guys, we are still all right. We just closed above view up, but it's too early to sell. I mean, it's too early to tell what I need to do as for now, because as much as we close below view up, one can say, Mr. President, SL short, it might be a trap. And I don't want to entertain it, so I'm still gonna hold this trade. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold it. Am I comfortable losing this? Absolutely. I am comfortable.
This is the TP1, TP2, sell below 3367. My neck is giving me problems, man. Wise man says he bought gold. Wise man, I'd be at 3367. I put my stop loss, huh? Or even slightly below. Let's just see what the slow is here. 3364. Taking passion as profits, unless you want to be in the whole thing.
Analyst asking family, do you give out signals, alerts after the analysis? No, we don't give signals at all. We don't give signals. Alerts, yes. Alerts, definitely. Every day we have alerts. So if you want to know more, you can join our private group. Guys, this week we are going to be very active on the private group. We're going to be very, very active. Anela, you can sign up with our stakeholder here, Okta. Use our link and let us know, then we can add you in the private group.
Did you send me the link for the private? You did, no?
So for 3 times already.
Ah,
3 times already.
3, a whole 3. Who's in the private group?
For those of you who just joined us, I have a buy on German 40, 24,000, 260 or so.
And I am looking for a sell on gold. Okay, I'm in. Can you see me? I mean, in terms of the private group, sorry.
Let me see. Telegram. Yeah, you are now. Thank you.
Okay, cool. What's happening there, choppers? What?
This trade is
boring. That's my trade's not going by wayside. Right? That's why I know that side very well.
Especially on a Monday morning like this. Like, what a way to start.
Oh, thanks, Savage. Hey, Savage, man. Savage is such a... How's your trade going, my friend?
I'm still on break even.
I was like, can you see the 5 minutes you're starting to trade through that level?
I'm still on break even. 70% is saying Ramaphosa should resign. 30% saying no.
It's cartelling.
No, I think people are tired now.
It's cartelling, guys. Sisiyavuga, guys. No.
I think people are tired. I think people are tired of Ramaphosa now.
And the way we were so excited.
We are always excited, even when Biggie
went. I remember when he got elected. I remember. The screams.
Even with Zuma. Even with Zuma, we were so excited. I think human beings are just, for anything new is better, They always have this mentality. If it's new, it's better. Only to find out it's worse. Even in Zim, when Mugabe was out, Mnangagwa came in. People were so excited, but now if you would ask them, they would tell you, nope, we are not as excited as we used to. So I think it's, yeah. But when I become president, excitement will be wire.
Vitro everywhere.
Yeah, guys, can we like the stream, please? You are the reason why my trade is not going my direction.
Guys, do God's work.
Savage, you say no stop loss fashioned against you shall prosper, Mr. President. Amen. Thank you.
How Samuel? Hey, look at our trade. Also, yeah. Let's see, guys.
Where would you want to enter, given the fact that now we are below 3? If you were to enter this sell on gold now on 5 minutes, where would you take it? Given the fact that we are below that level, 3367.
Yes, my next candle would be giving me the. If the next candle is also down, I can get. But maybe just wait for a retest, you know. So I'm gonna wait for the next candle, which is in 2 minutes time. And if because it's also not, it's hardly that oversold, so it may just. And also, just judging from the morning, it seems to be dwelling in oversold territory more than overbought. So yeah, the sellers are definitely coming in here. Ngobs is leaving us now. See you, Ngobs.
Yeah, I love us. We'll talk after this.
I'm sure I'll feel it right, ne?
Yeah, plus even I'm losing.
Right, I'll feel right.
Unless you console me.
What? Chopper's just feels like the streaming. Things are not going well with MJ's trade.
Well, look, I'm still on break even. One can say, Mr. President, why don't you close it? I don't like getting into trades for the sake of closing them, you know. I get into trades because I want to make money. So I'm not gonna close unless if I have a valid reason, like my reasons are valid why I'm closing the trade. But for now, I don't see why I should close the trade. To be honest with you, I don't see why I should close the trade.
As long as you don't see that reason and your risk management is fine, then you.
That's true.
You see, my next candle is probably going to do a retest.
Sivolwam is saying, good morning, I'm a new member of the family. I'm excited, hoping to learn, and I'm a beginner. Inspired by Top Trader South Africa. I watched most of your interviews. I hope I found a home here. Welcome, my friend.
Yeah, welcome. We should have a warm welcome sound. Hey, Luena.
Yeah, that.
Let's work on that.
I need to get it from Novi. It's a. 114 people watching, only 87 have liked the stream. That's what I'm saying.
88? No. Excuse me, Ish. If that wasn't loud in your ear.
No, it's not. Right, this candle that just rejected on my entry level there, I still need a close above, then I can be safe. As it is now, I'm still not safe because I'm below VWAP.
Mr. President, they want to know when you're going to start a TikTok stream.
We voted, Savage. Isn't it that you guys said, no, TikTok is not serious? We just keep it here. It's not for serious audience.
Is it? I had TikTok. Okay.
Some people were saying we should stream both TikTok and maybe we should give it a try. Maybe we should give it a try. I don't know.
Tim
But
was also looking at this gold breakout. As well, you retest. Let's see. The next candle for me is below this level. It's an in TP at, I mean not TP, rather stop loss at 3366. Wait, am I saying this correctly? 336. Where's 33? Oh. Let's see, what's the next candle gonna do?
wait, I think I've got something here. Let me see if this is really a close above. Not really. I wouldn't consider this a close above view up, but still good.
Four more likes, choppers. I think this would be my entry candle.
Where? What's your price?
Now, let me just see if it goes back to. Yeah, I think this would be my entry level now. Trippers, it's 10. I gotta go.
All right, let's do a recap just before we do so, guys. My German 40 trade, I'm still holding. Seems like we're still good for now. We are like 30% to TP. But yeah, I'll update you guys about it. I'm still holding. Temba is saying German 40 hold king. Yeah, I'm gonna hold, my friend. Definitely going to be holding this trade. I don't see any reason why I should rush into closing it. Yeah, that's what I have only for today, guys. One trade we've taken throughout the stream, which is this German 40. And yeah, Ms. Gama, on your side.
So I'm looking at a 5-minute chart for gold, a short below this. I mean, this would be my current entry price right now. TP1 3361 and TP2 3358. Right towards there, and then this would be the buy zone where I would then buy it back around there. So that's it for me.
Okay.
So I'm looking at a short. Yeah. So we'll send the results to the choppers.
All right, guys. If you wanna be on the private group, I see a lot of what do you call this? Texts coming in from people saying they wanna join the private group. I'm going to assist you now, and we'll add you on the group.
Oh, thanks, Savage. Yes, Savage, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much, Savage. All right, Choppers, thank you so much for your time.
Let me send love. Let me send love. Because can everyone see my hearts?
All right.
How Chopper send hearts? How? Let's all send hearts.
No, W, guys. Let's send W. I don't know
Oh,
what it means.
W's.
W's. I don't know what it still means, but Nobile told us on Friday, W, 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 W. So let's send the W's as we're about to end the stream. Thank you so much, family. We've hit our 100 likes. That's good to see. Did we hit our 100 likes?
Yes,
we did.
101.
All right. All right.
Oh, look at all the hearts. I love
Silica, all of a sudden you are coming.
Look at the trade. Look at the trade. Look at the trade. Let's see. Wait, let's see, guys. You know these trades.
Silica all of a sudden is popping from nowhere. All right, Choppers. When are we meeting again, Megama?
You and I.
Yes, for the stream, Wednesday, right? Same time,
Wednesday,
same place.
Wednesday. I thought you meant one-on-one. Yeah, Wednesday.
Okay. That's fine then. Choppers, thank you so much from your president and the Minister of Technical Analysis.
Honorable King.
Oh, sorry. Let me say it
Choppers,
properly. Okay.
reprimand.
Guys, you see what's happening in the White House,
Parliament.
in Parliament. Honorable Minister.
Follow protocol.
Okay, I am. Honorable Minister of Technical Analysis, thank you so much for your time. We are back, same time, same place on Wednesday, Choppers. And we out.